Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to tie dress shoes properly. This will be an easy Berluti knot tutorial. The Berluti knot is one of the best knots that you can use for a pair of dress shoes because it looks really clean and it holds really well. You don't want to have your dress shoes double knotted and all bunched up down there, but you want them to hold well. So I'm going to show you how to do this knot. So you're going to start off with your dress shoes untied, as you can see right here, and I'm showing you from this perspective. So obviously if you're looking at your shoe downwards and you're looking at it from the opposite perspective, you're going to have to keep that in mind, but it should be a very similar process for tying the knot. So what you want to do is start off with just a very simple overhand knot, as you can see right there, just a single overhand knot. Get it nice and tight, okay? Then you're going to get 2 bunny ears. So 2 bunny ears, roughly the same size as you can see, and you're going to cross one over the other. So I'm going to take one bunny ear and I'm going to cross it over the other, okay? Just like that, okay? Now, what we have here are the 2 bunny ears crossed. We have the 2 laces that you can see, and then we have this loop in the middle here. This loop where my finger is poking through. This is the key here. The loop is the key here. So now we're going to take each of the bunny ears and laces on the same side, and we're going to loop them through the loop. So you can see this bunny here is at the back, according to my perspective. So I'm going to take this bunny ear and this lace, and I'm going to wrap it around and through the loop. So this bunny ear and lace is going to go around from the back to the front, around through the loop, both the bunny ear and the lace, and we're going to pull them out the same side. So I'm going to pull them out on my right side. Okay, so as you can see, we're just pushing them through over here, and they both come out on the right side. So now here's the bunny ear and the lace on the right side. Now this bunny ear is at the front, according to my perspective. It's close to where I am. At the front, it's closer to the camera, I should say. So I'm going to go and loop this around the back from what I can see, okay? So now I'm going to take this bunny ear and lace, and I'm going to loop them around the back, through the loop. I'm going to just bring them through the loop here. So you can see now the bunny ear and lace are out the same side. So all that we need to do at this point is pull on the bunny ears. Okay, pull on the bunny ears nice and tightly. And what we've created is we've created the Berluti knot. You can see it is super, super tight. Like literally this thing is super, super tight. It's going to hold really well and it looks clean, right? You have your bunny ears on either side. You have your laces hanging out on either side. It looks amazing. And in my opinion, this is the best way to tie dress shoes. You can bring these in closer together if you wanted to. Okay, you can tighten it up, you can pull it to be, the bunny ears to be a little bit bigger and the laces to be shorter. It's up to you, but either way, the laces and the knot hold so well. You're not going to have to worry about constantly retying your laces, and it looks incredible. So it's perfect for a pair of dress shoes. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.